good, brother. What you working on?
This
Yes.
is a 1974 Rickman 125.
What are you doing to it?
Well, the motor was awesome. Ran good, was fast, but the transmissions were junk. Couldn't keep the thing in gear.
What motor did it have?
A Zundap,
Zundap?
German 125. Yes.
Great motor, but no transmission.
Great. Yes.
Yeah, okay. So what's
since
going
we
in?
are at the Fix-It Show,
Yes.
we're going to swap the motor out for a Yamaha 125 motor for the Masters of Momentum class.
So the Rickman becomes a Rick-a-haw.
Yes, it does. We've done this before, but not with the Rickman and Yamaha. We did it with a Mako with a Honda motor, because Mako never had a good 125.
So that's a Heiko.
Yes.
Or Monda.
Honda.
Okay.
So, it's pretty tricky getting a motor in a chassis properly. A lot of things you got to consider. You want the chain to hit the sprocket nice.
Yeah.
So we put a little jig, a straight line, the chain and sprockets, front to rear. Make sure your rear wheel's squared up. You want your motor in square and level, so it doesn't torque anything out of shape. You got to take into consideration the shift lever, the kickstarter, whatever pipe you're going to run. We're going to probably have to make a pipe for this. Your carburetor height, a lot of things to consider. So right now, I cut all the motor mounts out of the chassis, and we're mocking it up with blocks and wood, whatever it takes to get it centered, get the center line plumb, so it goes straight.
So you have to recreate all new motor mounts. The old motor mounts won't work with this engine.
Correct.
Okay.
So that's where we're at.
Okay.
A few more days of dust and grinding. We do this in the back shop at the Fix-It Show because somebody important doesn't want the front shop messed up. We've messed it up a few too many times. So that's why we're back here in the grungy cage.
Oh, I see. Where the real work gets done, eh?
Yeah, the noise and the dust and the welding.
Well, if you want to see Paul turn this Rickman Zundap into a Rick-a-haw, keep watching the Fix-It Show. And like us down here. Just down here. Down here. Here.
Subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching.
On a winter night, by full moonlight, two horses and an open sleigh. We'll take a ride, a cowboy and his bride, and stop for friends along the way. The time is here, we've waited all year, and holiday excitement fills the air. We'll make the hillsides ring with the songs we'll sing, go gliding through the old town square.